Hey, this is Pat, and today we're going to be testing a Boak test light, or Boak. Don't know the pronunciation, but it's a test light circuit tester for automotive. Comes in a cardboard box. It has a ding on it. We'll have to check and see if it has any discrepancies with it, if we do. So we'll unbox it and see. Okay, let's unbox this test light. The box opens nice. Looks like we have the tool in the bag. And then what else is in the box? Looks like an instruction manual. So the box did have a ding in it, but I don't see any issues yet, but it's in a bag. So we'll put this aside. Take this out of the bag. See what we... Okay, so what we have here is a little cap that I just took off the tip. Very sharp, by the way, so I won't push very hard on it, but it looks very nice and clean. It actually looks very nice compared to test lights that I've had in the past, and I've had a few in the last 20 years myself. So it has a protective sheath over your tester, and looks like it's a clear body, so it should light up nice around this, but we'll see. It has a 3-foot cord, and it looks like it would extend out to something decent, but it's got some pretty decent tension on it too, so you probably won't want to put it too far. But you have a ground and a positive, so you can connect your ground alligator clip to test for a ground, and you should come up with a green light or a red. You can connect your red alligator clip for the positive, and that has a red light too. And you have a little cluster here, or little gauge that would pop up digital. So it all goes and stays together fairly well. So now we'll hook up the Boak tester. We'll take the ground, the black one, alligator clip, or clamp, whatever you want to call it. And then you take the red, the positive, and then hook that up to a positive. And then you'll have 2 LED lights that'll come on to help you see your way. You're going to see a couple different options that we can do with the test light and circuit tester. So we have it connected, and so now I have it out of the sheath. There is a little sheath for it. It is sharp. So anyways, the cord is pretty good. It looks like it extends out. The clamps are staying on kind of decent. Well, you know, to be expected. It's on a 10mm nut, but it does have pretty decent grip though. So we have it illuminated. We know it's connected. Not like a traditional where it would only have the ground connection, or you'd have to flip it to, you know, find a ground. You have your positive and you have your negative connected. So now it's a plug and play. The ground will show a green light with the negative symbol right under it, and then the face will stay a blue, and it'll just show you that it is a solid ground. So right here we have just a fastener bolt that's holding the headlight plate in. So let's see if we can actually, there's a little bit of looseness, gotta tighten that, good. So we'll put it in there. There we go. We already found a ground. So it illuminates the green light and it makes a sound. So that's pretty cool. You can go pretty much around and find all your grounds as easy as that. So I'll take it and we'll put it onto a positive and see what we get. 12.9, and then the plus sign has a red light, and that red light will illuminate. You want to find an issue, you're going to go into the fuse box. Now you have both your positive, negative hooked up. You'll just come over, and there you go. Now you found a power. Overall, the construction of it seems pretty strong for the price. It was not too bad. I think it was about 29 bucks, or actually if that. You can buy it, I'm sure, many places. I got mine on Amazon, but it seems like it feels like the positive warms up just a little bit, but you know, I'm sure for what we're going to be doing, this is going to be just fine. So we'll check a couple fuses while we're at it. And what I like about it is it's hooked up to a positive and a ground. So now all the work is done. You just have to find a ground or a positive. You don't have to flip them around like a traditional test light. And it looks pretty good. It kind of has like a feel of some of the more upscale test lights. And so with that being said, it seems pretty tight. It seems like a good buy. I can't wait to use it at work. Thank you.